Good morning, students. Today we are going to see how to solve problems on coefficient of correlation for bivariant data or grouped data. This type of question you can expect for 16 marks, okay, either for the internal exam or for the external exam. So let us look one question here. Question number 1. Calculate the coefficient of correlation between dividends and prices of securities as given below. Security prices and annual dividends per share is given. So security prices is given like a class interval type, and also annual dividends also given like class interval type. So and also different values of annual dividends also given. Okay, so according to this given table, by using this formula, the formula this is for bivariant or group data of coefficient of correlation. Okay, what is the equation? R is equal to n summation f dx dy minus summation f dx into summation f dy divided by root of n summation f dx square minus summation f dx the whole square into root of n summation f dy square minus summation f dy the whole square. This is the normal equation while we are using to calculate Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Okay, only the difference here is extra f will come for everywhere. Normal equation what? N summation dx dy minus summation dx into summation dy. Everywhere one f will come, either in the numerator or else in the denominator. See, f in the y also f. Okay, that is only the extra. So it is very simple. If you are learning a normal correlation equation, you can apply for bivariant data also. So the thing is, after writing the equation, the next step what we want to do is we want to frame this table. Actually, the table is framed from the given question. The given question, what it is given, security prices we have taken as it is, what is given in the question, and also what is given in the question, annual dividend per share is also given, right? 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and also 130 to 140, 140 to 150, 150 to 160, 160 to 170, 170 to 180. Whatever given in the question is given as it is. Now the thing extra what we have to do is we want to find the midpoint of that. When the data is given in the class interval type, in the bivariant data, we want to find the midpoint of that thing. So each midpoint is founded here. 130 to 140, what is the midpoint? 135. 140 to 150, what is the midpoint? 45. Like that same thing repeated here. And also for finding the midpoint, there is one formula also extra. What is that? 130 plus 140 divided by 2. You will get this answer. And on the same way in this x side we have found, and also in the y side, 20 to 30 ka midpoint 25, 30 to 40 35, 40 to 50 45. Same like that it is repeated in the y side and also in the x side. Okay, and rest all the things what is given in the question is given. All these values is given in the question, which is written in the blue ink here. Everything is given in the question, same as it is we are writing. Extra what we are doing is we are giving the value like dx dy, which is common for x and y. That is an assumption value we have to give for every problem. Whenever we are framing the grouped data or bivariant table, we have to give like this: 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, like same here. 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2 in the x side and also in the y side, repeating as I'm assuming. Okay, that value is always common for all the questions. First, the thing is we want to give a preference for positive value. Sometimes in the question, if there are 4 values, means we should write like minus 1, 0, 1, 2, like that. Positive value should be given first preference. Then we want to calculate on the basis of this dx dy. We will calculate the entire column what is given. So this much is given in the question. Extra we have to do is finding midpoint in the x side and finding midpoint in the y side, and also finding dx dy in the x side and also finding dx dy in the y side. Now according to the given formula, we want to frame this extra tables in the x side as well as in the y side downwards. X side, this right hand side. First is frequency f, then f dx square, f dx dy. Same way in the y side also, f dy square, f dx dy. How we are calculating this one is, here we need to find the inner square values. Okay, how we are finding this is minus 2 into minus 2 into 2, you will get this value, inner table value. Minus 2 into minus 1, you will get this inner square value. Like that, inner square values will be getting like that by multiplying 3 values together. Okay, see, minus 2 into 2 in 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, like that. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, like that. Okay, negative sign also should be considered here. So like that we want to calculate. If you are calculating like that, you can make out. While calculating any value with 0, you will get 0, like that. Okay, let's see from first. Minus 2 into minus 2, minus and minus plus 4, 4 2s are 8. Next, minus 2 into minus 1, minus minus positive 2, 2 into 1 2, minus 2 into 0 0, 0 into 2 0, like that. It repeats here also. Minus 1 into minus 2, minus and minus plus 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Same way we are doing all the inner table values. We are finding like that. Okay, after finding the mid, we after doing all those, here we need to find the assumed mean here. Nothing usage in that, but according to the step we want to do that. The midpoint what we are finding in that middlemost value we will be taking as assumed mean in the x side as well as in the y side. If after taking this assumed mean we are not using it anywhere, but according to the step we want to do it as it is. Okay, so all the inner table values we have found out. Now we will be finding the f dx square and f dx dy. Okay, so in order to find the frequency value, how we will find this, all these main values inside the table is there, no? 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, that is 10, like that. The next one, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 3 12, like that. Same way in the downwards also. Frequency, see, here we are adding like this. Here downwards we are adding here 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 1 12, like that. Same way here also, one by one we are adding and finding out the frequencies. So now you understood how to find the frequency, right? So we will see how to find f dx as well as f dy. Okay, f dx we will find like this, frequency into dx dy value, that is 10 into minus 2 minus 20, 10 2s are 20, so minus. Next is 12 into minus 1 minus 12, 8 into 0 0, 12 into 1 12, 8 2s are 16. So adding of this f dx, that is summation f dx, we will get minus 4. Okay, same way in the f dy also. What is that? F into dy value, 12 into 2 24, minus 2, so minus 24. 10 into minus 1 minus 10, 9 into 0 0, 10 into 1 10, 9 2s are 18. So total of f dy, summation f dy is minus 6. So like that. Okay, so next is about f dx square and f dy square. So now we are finding f dx square as well as f dy square. In the before table f dx and f dy, how did we find the values? F into dx is f dx, f into dy is f dy, like that. Same here, f dx, in order to find f dx square and f dy square, we need to multiply f dx into dx, that is f dx square. In the sense, minus 20 into minus 2, minus and minus is positive, so 40, 22s are 40, like that. Minus 12 into minus 1 minus is positive, 12 ones are 12, like that. Here f into dx, for finding f dx square, f dx into dx, like that. Okay, second column into dx column. Understood? Same way we are multiplying and we are getting all the answers here, and summation total of it is 9 days, summation f dx square. Same way here also, f dy square also same thing. Second box into dy square, dy box. That means here we are, for in order to find f dy, f into dy, no, here in order to find f dy square, f dy into dy, like that. Minus 24 into minus 2, minus and minus positive, so positive 48. Next, minus 10 into minus 1 10, 0 into 0 0, like that. Same way we are finding f dy square also, and summation of that is 104. Adding all this you will get here also, adding all this you will get this total. Next, last one is finding total f dx dy. Here also same, here also same, both also we need to get same answer. That how we are getting means inner table total, external table total, in the sense this bluish shade total is frequency total, right? This side also, this side also, same way inner table we are doing, right? Inner square, that car total is f dx dy, both side also. This way if you are totally like this, 8 plus 2 plus 0 plus minus 6 plus minus 8, you will get minus 4. Same way downwards if we are finding f dx dy, 8 plus 6 plus 0 plus minus 6 plus minus 4, you will get f dx dy 4. Like this, like this, x and y value we are finding the both the sides, that much only. By doing all this table, we should make sure that f dx dy, summation f dx dy, both the side, in the x side as well as in the y side, we should be getting the same answer. We are getting here total as minus 11, then only your table will be correct. How we should make sure that our table is correct, you know, this should be same, answer should be same, then we can assume that our bivariant frequency table is correct. After getting all this, we need to substitute all these values to this total values to the formula given here. What is the formula? C, R is equal to n summation f dx dy minus f dx into f dy. That one formula is there, no? There we have to substitute whatever the answer we have got here, we have to substitute here, and we will get the answer for correlation. We answer we have got is minus 0.115. So this is how we are calculating the values for bivariant frequency of correlation. Hope you guys understood. Thank you so much.